I really owe my legal career to my grandfather. I grew up on a small family farm in rural North Dakota, and I learned the value of hard work on that farm with my father and grandfather. But he was the one who was really always encouraging me to go to law school, to challenge myself. And so one of the proudest days of my life was the day I got sworn in, and my 94-year-old grandfather was there to congratulate me. Right out of law school, I had the opportunity to work for a highly respected divorce firm in Lincoln, Nebraska. Very early on in my practice, I learned the value of the personal connection with our clients, understanding that they're coming to me in one of the lowest points of their lives, and I'm helping them navigate that as painlessly as possible. That's really what gives me my passion to do what I do. I'm helping people move past that without that heavy burden and able to move on with their lives. I try to apply that to every client that I have, because that's what I would want if I was going through this process. A lot of clients come in with this expectation that you need a bulldog attorney who's going to litigate in court with some scorched earth tactics and constantly fighting with the other side. I've been doing this for about 10 years. I've seen plenty of your simple divorces, contested custody cases, or your high net worth cases like businesses and farms. And I believe that bulldog litigating is not always in the client's best interests. My practice philosophy is in order to be successful, you must be solution-oriented. I try to develop a personal relationship with my clients, so I understand what their objectives are, and we determine what's the best and most efficient way we can achieve those. We look for those win-win solutions, where the client comes out with something that they value, and the other side is able to do so cooperatively. And sometimes it doesn't work. When it gets to that point, we are fully ready to go to court and be that litigator that you've imagined. I appreciate the struggle of finding a good divorce lawyer. There are so many lawyers who practice divorce. It can be difficult finding that right fit. So I like to be very clear with my clients what they can expect if they hire me. The first strength that I bring to the table is I'm very good with numbers. From a simple asset division to complex valuation, income analysis, and all of those sort of issues, and I'm able to explain it to my clients in a way that they understand and explain it to the court in a way that helps to achieve their objectives. It's something that a lot of lawyers shy away from. The second thing that I bring to the table is I have a deep understanding of the law. I've done many divorce appeals, and I understand what the court needs to see to achieve your objectives, and in the unlikely event the opposing side appeals, what information is good to have in the record to help defend your case to make it as bulletproof as possible. Finally, excellent communication is key, and that goes two ways. First, I always try to make sure my clients understand what we're doing and why we're doing it, and how that will lead to achieving their objectives. The other side of the coin is making sure that the court and opposing counsel understand what we're doing and the information we're presenting to them as efficiently as possible. At the end of the day, I want my clients to feel confident that their voices are heard in court.